Welcome back to our channel, everybody. We have two power banks here today that's also on our store. If you guys want to check it out, that'll be down in the link in the description. But today we are going to open these up and see what's inside. We have a green and a blue model portable charger here today. They're very futuristic, they're very nice, they charge fast, and I love them. They're just amazing. So here we go. As you can see right here, it's very, very beautiful. It has a 3D design to it, and it's very thin too. It also includes a white charging cable here to charge the unit itself. And as we take it here out of the box, you can kind of see how thin the unit is itself. Very, very nice looking. It's a matte black with the logo on the front and nothing on the back. You have micro USB and regular USB 3.0 on the bottom, and look at this. Here's the lights, just beautiful. This is the blue model right here, and it shows at the bottom the 100%. Yeah, I say this is good. Now let's unbox the other one. Now, as you can see right here, the green one also comes with the white USB charger. All of them do, and it's the same exact design, but it has a different color, as you can see right here. This one's at 100% too. Most of these batteries come 100% charge, which is very, very nice and convenient, so you can use them right out of the box. If you guys would like to order these are just amazing. The link will be down in the description, and a little bit tells you about it. Thanks for watching.